Cleanest and most Pythonic way to get tomorrow's date? What is the cleanest and most Pythonic way to get tomorrow's date? There must be a better way than to add one to the day, handle days at the end of the month, etc.
Datetime.date.today plus datetime.time at delta days equals 1 should do the trick.
Timer delta can handle adding days, seconds, microseconds, milliseconds, minutes, hours, or weeks. As asked in a comment, leap days pose no problem.
No handling of leap seconds toe. Done. Edit at mark. The docs say yes, but the code says not so much. I would think that time or local time would take the value returned by time and given me back the original tuple, with 60 as the number of seconds. And this test shows that these leap seconds can just fade away.
Even the basic time module can handle this.
For people who are dealing with server's timestamp. To get yesterday timestamp. To get today timestamp. To get tomorrow timestamp. To print. The output.
Beautiful child, pieces of shine.